Hello. Well, my voice is high in an unnatural state, so hi, hi. I sound like an anime character. That's funny. I'm not drunk. I promise I'm not. Actually, I just hiccups and coughing randomly. And I guess my throat hurts, so I guess gonna be a high voiceover right now. I sound like a furry. That's funny. I'm gonna watch back to this, and this will be so adorable. It'll get me a sweet tooth. Ugh. What was that? Was it fun? Oh, painful. I bet London's gonna look at this and be like, what the fuck? Oh. I wanna sleep, but my battery's on 10% and I don't wanna go to sleep. Sounding. Ugh, I sound so vulnerable. Ow. 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 Dumb hiccups. Ooh. Ugh. I'm a furry. That's funny. I'm just gonna do random moves with my new high voice for about 10 hours. Maybe, I don't know. Plus, I had a tiny bit of helium from a balloon because I was bored. Yeah. I might sound tipsy because I had a lot of helium and I passed out. And I'm a little woozy. Ooh. I sound drunk and it sounds like I'm high, but I'm not, I promise. What was that giggle? Oh my god. Kind of sound like Toga. That would be a perfect thing for London. London loves Toga. London is a simp for Toga. Like like a Charlie simp, but over Toga, you know? Ow, ow, ow. Ooh. Ah. I like it. Kinda hurt. Ow, ow. Hurts. I mean, ow. I sound like a Neko or something. I sound so submissive. Kill me. I sound like a Neko character. Actually, that would be nice. Oh, it hurt. What if I just do an impression of Asui? Get that was funny. Get Let me see if I can say Uraraka-chan in an Asui voice. Ow, 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 ow. Ugh. Ew. Crap. Ew. Uraraka-chan. That sucks. I'll do one more uwu before I leave.